Hey guys, how we doing? Today's video, I'm gonna design an app, because why not? So I've set out to do this challenge, one app per month. This month's app is gonna be FlowAR, FlowAR. Get it? Because it's an augmented reality app. What does it do? FlowAR will be able to tell you in augmented reality what the flower is that you're looking at, and it's gonna log that into a table. I decided to design this from scratch using Figma. This is quite amusing, so sit back and enjoy someone with next to nil experience trying to design an app from nothing. Here we go. Okay, that's definitely enough Figma for today. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go into Xcode, we're going to use Swift, we're going to use augmented reality, and we're going to build an app. Yes, an app. We're going to use the design that we just used, and we're going to take it and then plan off that design, what we're going to need to build this augmented reality application. My planning is going to take place within the view controller. I'm going to use the little Figma design that I made before. I'm going to take from that and going to put into my view controller in text things that I'm going to need to learn and things that we're going to need for this Xcode project, just from things that I already know. Came down to a 4-4 split. 4 things I know, 4 things I'll need to know in a 4-part series. Yes, that's right, this is going to be a 4-part series. This is the design phase. I'm going to have 2 build phases and then a reveal phase. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And yes, I'm going to be teaching myself all these things with online resources. I will be sure to link them in my next video for anything that I do learn if you guys want to learn as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.